In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send marketing emails in Sendgrid. We'll walk through the full process together, from finding the right place in the dashboard all the way to sending or scheduling your campaign. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get a marketing email out to your audience using single sends. First, log into your Sendgrid account and look over to the left-hand sidebar. Find the option labeled Marketing and click on it. This is where all of your marketing campaigns, contacts, and designs are managed. So anytime you're working on email campaigns, this is your main starting point. Once you're in the marketing section, look for single sends and select it. Single sends are one-time campaigns, like a newsletter, a promotion, or an announcement. In the top right corner, you'll see a button that says Create Single Send. Go ahead and click that to start building a new email. Next, you'll be asked to pick a template. Here you can choose a pre-built Sendgrid design, one of your existing templates, or start from a blank layout if you want full control. If you're just getting started, pre-built designs can save a lot of time and give you a good structure to work from. After choosing your template, select Design Editor. This editor gives you a visual drag-and-drop interface, so you don't need any coding skills to create a polished email. Before you dive too deep into the design, switch over to the Settings tab. Here, you'll set up some important details that control how your email is sent. First, choose your From Sender. Make sure you pick a verified sender email, since unverified senders can cause deliverability or compliance issues. Then, add your subject line. Try to keep it clear, relevant, and engaging so people are more likely to open your email. Finally, choose your recipients. You can select one or more lists or segments, depending on who you want to reach. Lists are great for broad audiences, while segments let you target more specific groups based on filters or behavior. Once your settings are in place, move back into the design area to build your email. Use the drag and drop tools to add text blocks, images, buttons, and dividers. Adjust colors, fonts, and spacing to match your branding. Take a moment to preview how it looks on both desktop and mobile to ensure everything is easy to read and click. When you're happy with the content and layout, click Review Details and Send. This page is your final checkpoint. Confirm the sender, subject, recipients, and schedule. If everything looks good, you can choose to send the email immediately or select Schedule to set a specific date and time for it to go out automatically.